Hello friends, today you will learn about the transformation of the axis, whether it is shifting of the origin with the axis parallel to the original axis or rotation of the axis about the origin or both. Let us start the chapter.
Let it is a coordinate axis. This point is center O and this horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Let this is a point P whose coordinates are x, y. Now let its center O is shifted to a point O dash whose coordinates are h, k, and this line parallel to the line x-axis is the capital X-axis and this line parallel to y-axis is capital Y-axis. It is the point P. Let its new coordinate are capital X, capital Y, considering is as O dash is the origin and capital X, capital Y are its axis. Now draw a perpendicular from P and O dash to the x-axis and let this intersect the x-axis at E, B. Now, therefore, OA is equal to H, and as the capital X, capital Y, the coordinate is per the new axis, therefore, AB will be capital X. But as the small xy is the point coordinate of the point P, considering x and y as the axis, therefore distance OA will be distance OB will be small x. Therefore, it is very clear that small x is equal to capital X plus H. And therefore, capital X is equal to capital X minus small x minus H. Similarly, small y will be capital Y plus K. Therefore, capital Y is equal to small y minus K. Now, we take an example. If xy is a coordinate of a point P, find its new coordinate if the origin is shifted to 2, 1 and new axes are parallel to x-axis. In this case, as the point is 4, 5, therefore small x is equal to 4, small y is equal to 5. As the coordinate are shifted to 2, 1, therefore h is equal to 2 and k is equal to 1. As we know that capital X is equal to x minus h, capital Y is equal to y minus yk, therefore capital X is equal to x minus h, that is 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Similarly, capital Y is equal to y minus k, that is 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Therefore, 2, 4 is its new coordinate. After shifting the origin. Now we are taking the example 2 that if 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 is equation of line, find its new equation if the origin is shifted to 2, 1 and the new axes are parallel to original axis. As we know that small x is equal to x plus a, here since origin is shifted to 2, 1, therefore h is equal to 2 and k is equal to 1. Therefore, small x is equal to capital X plus 2, small y is equal to capital Y plus 1. Now we put this x and y value in the equation, this one. Therefore, it will be 2 capital X plus 2 plus 3 capital Y plus 1 is equal to 4. That is 2x plus 4 plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 4. Implies that 2 capital X plus 3 capital Y plus this 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is equal to 4. Implies that 2 capital X plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0 will be the new equation of this equation after shifting the origin. Now we come that when the axis is rotated about the origin, let here that this is the origin O and it is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis. Suppose this axis is rotated by an angle theta anticlockwise, therefore this will become, let this become now a small capital X-axis and this become an capital Y-axis. In this case, we should remember the formula at this chart. In this case, capital X will be x cos theta plus y sin theta. And capital Y will equal to x minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Suppose we have to find the formula in this way. Therefore, small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus y capital sin theta. Similarly, small y will equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. These two formula will be there. Now we take an example. Suppose if x4, 5 is a coordinate of a point P, find its new coordinate if the axis is rotated by 30 degree anti-clockwise. As the axis is rotated 30 degree anti-clockwise, therefore in this case theta is equal to 30 degree. And the coordinate of point is 4, 5, therefore small x is equal to 4 and small y is equal to 5. Therefore, we will put the value of small x, small y and theta in this equation. Therefore, capital X will equal to 4 cos 30 degree plus 5 sin 30 degree. Therefore, 4 cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus 5 sin 30 is 1 by 2. Take 1 by 2 common. Therefore, it will be 1 by 2, 4 root 3 plus 5. Similarly, capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta, that is minus 4 sin 30 degree plus y cos theta, that is 5 cos 30 degree. That is equal to minus 4 sin theta is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 5 cos 30 is root 3 by 2. If we take 1 by 2 common, then it is minus 4 plus 5 root 3. Therefore, new coordinates after rotation of axis by 30 degree, its coordinate will be 1 by 2, 4 root 3 plus 5, comma 1 by 2 minus 4 plus 5 root 3. Now we come to a little complicated question that if 4, 5, 4, 5 is a coordinate of a point P, if its origin is first shifted to 2, 1, keeping the axis parallel to the original axis, and then axis is rotated, then find the new coordinate of the point. As first, this type of question will be solved in 2 steps. First, assume that what will be the new coordinate of this point when origin is shifted to 2, 1 and axes are parallel to the original axis. In this case, small x, as the point is 4, 5, therefore small x is equal to 4, small y is equal to 5, and origin is shifted to 2, 1, therefore h is equal to 2 and k is equal to 1. Therefore, after shifting the origin, its new coordinate we will put here, then capital X is equal to x minus h, that is 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2, and capital Y is equal to y minus k, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, new coordinates after shifting the origin to 2, 1 will be new coordinates is 2, 4. Now we come to the second step. Assuming that coordinates are 2, 4 and origin is shifted by 30 degree. Therefore, in this case, small x is equal to 2, small y is equal to 4, and theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, capital X is equal to 2 cos 30 degree plus 4 by 4 sin 30 degree is equal to 2 cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 4 sin 30 is 1 by 2. Therefore, this 2 will cancel. It will be root 3 plus 2. Similarly, capital Y will is equal to is minus x minus 4, x is equal to 2, that is minus 2 sin 30 degree plus y is 4, that is 4 cos 30 degree. That is minus 2 sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus 4 cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, it will be minus 1 plus 2 root 3. Therefore, new coordinates will be root 3 plus 2 comma minus 1 plus 2 root 3. That is new coordinate of the point P, that is 4, 5, after shifting the origin to 2, 1, keeping the axis parallel to the x-axis, and then axis is rotated, then new coordinates of 4, 5 will be root 3 plus 2, comma minus 1 plus 2 root 3.
It is all for today. Now I request you to subscribe my channel so that you may get the notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you.